Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Today let me introduce our new product, Talkpod A36 dual band GMRS radio for you. There are three key functions in this radio. First, it supports VHF and UHF, dual band and dual standby amateur radio. Second, it's 128 plus 64 pixel LCD display with 16 amateur keypad. Third is 2000 mAh high capacity with Type-C charging. Let's open our box and see what's inside. Owner's manual, a dual color and rod radio, a flexible VHF and UHF dual band antenna, 2000 mAh high capacity lithium battery with Type-C charging port, a rapid rate desktop charger, a bell clip, and it comes with a neon stripe. This radio is thin, slim, and fashion design. It's 54 lab certified waterproof rated, so you can use it outdoor when you are hiking, camping, and exploring, etc. In the front of the radio, this is the 36mm loudspeaker. In the middle of the radio is the 8000 pixel LCD screen. It can display two frequencies at the same time.
Welcome.
Under the screen is our 16 keypad. Every button are the shortcut key. On the left side is our orange PTT button and two programmable buttons. On the top of that and next to the antenna is our direct volume knob. On the right side, it uses the Kenwood 2-pin connector and it fixes almost all kinds of earphones. So that's a quick view of our Talkpod A36 dual band radio. Thanks for watching. See you next time.